Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a smooth, nutty and super versatile tahini sauce but with a twist. The main ingredient of tahini is white sesame seeds yani ki safed til. Let's begin by dry roasting the sesame seeds. Take a pan, heat it on low to medium flame and dry roast half cup sesame seeds for about 4 to 5 minutes. हमें इनका moisture हटाना है and we want them just lightly crisp so not brown. Once roasted, let the sesame seeds cool down completely. Do not rush this step वरना paste बनाते time oil release नहीं करेगा properly. Now once cooled, transfer them into a blender. Blend the seeds and what you get is a coarse sesame powder. To turn this into a creamy tahini paste, in the same blender add half tablespoon salt and 2 tablespoon virgin coconut oil. So here there is a thing, traditionally people use olive oil for this, but we are going with virgin coconut oil. It's lighter, neutral and super healthy. But of course you can choose whichever oil you prefer, just make sure it's not very strong in flavor. Now blend again until everything becomes a smooth, slightly thick paste. थोड़ा patience चाहिए, it'll go from dry to buttery if you blend properly long enough. And just like that, your homemade tahini sauce is ready. You can use this as a salad dressing, in wraps, sandwiches or even as a dip for roasted veggies and pita. It's creamy, nutty, high in calcium and super versatile. Plus no chemicals, no preservatives. It is clean and homemade. If you like this recipe, give it a try and tell us how you used it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more simple, clean recipes like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.